Hey everybody, Dave Cook, the Franco Finishes, are here with Josh, and we are redoing a cabinet vanity. So this is a cherry vanity. They're having the bathroom redone. So what we're doing, he's taking doors off, we're gonna take the drawers off, and we're gonna have this thing refinished. You can see we have our primer sticks, and then our paint behind it is Sherwood. With our tape, we're using the frog tape, which is an amazing product. If you haven't used it, highly recommend it. So just kind of pre-walkthrough of going through what's gonna get taken off. So he's taking off doors now. All the hinges will go back where they go. All the drawers will come off and get numbered and labeled so they go back to the same place. But the refinishing vanities, especially something like this, it's a great way to save money because you can have this thing refinished for a third or a half the cost as you would normally spend to purchase a new one. And I know that because we're doing it in our own house. So the vanity, we couldn't keep it, so we ended up spending like 1,200 bucks for this new vanity. Plus you have the cost of taking everything out, countertops. There's nothing wrong with their countertops. They like the faucets, they like the mirror, they just don't like the color anymore. So here's a great way to update your bathroom without breaking the bank, as per se. If you have any questions about your vanities, refinishing them, what we can do, what we can't do, let us know. Dave Cook, DeFranco, David at DeFrancoFinishes.com. Otherwise, 847-553-1726. Give a call, ask for an estimate. Love to hear how we can help you love the space you're in.